Hi everyone. So today we're going to break down how to talk to my friend's daughter who is listening and is a 12-year-old about her hormones and her reproductive system. So the average age for girls to begin puberty is around age 11, so she might already be there. For a boy, in contrast, their average age to start puberty is around 12, but it is different for everyone. So first off, as a woman, I can tell you that this process is really weird, but it is normal, and every woman goes through it. It's important that you not be shy. It's okay to ask questions to your mom and other family members, your doctor, or even a teacher if you are uncomfortable or not understanding what is happening. So let's talk about life in general. How did you end up here? You've been here for 12 years now, and you got here through a process called reproduction. So a man and a woman, or your mother and father, were needed to start this process. So your father, the man, has sperm, and your mother, the woman, has an egg. So when sex occurs, these two things meet in the reproductive system of the woman. The sperm fertilizes the egg, and that is then called a zygote. And that zygote then goes through a process of becoming an embryo and developing into a fetus, which is where you started out. When the fetus is born, her ovaries automatically contain hundreds of thousands of eggs, which will remain inactive until puberty begins, which is where we are now and what we're talking about. So at puberty, the pituitary gland, which is located inside of your brain, starts making hormones that stimulate the ovaries to make female sex hormones, including estrogen. The secretion of these hormones causes a girl to develop into a sexually mature woman. Towards the end of puberty, girls begin to release eggs as part of a monthly period called the menstrual cycle. About once a month during ovulation, an ovary sends a tiny egg into one of the fallopian tubes. So unless it's fertilized by that sperm from the man while in the fallopian tube, that egg would leave the body about 2 weeks later through the uterus, and this is called menstruation, or when you get your period. During this time, discomfort is definitely possible, and it's something that all women go through for many, many, many years, speaking for myself. You might get premenstrual syndrome, or what people call PMS, things like getting acne, feeling tired, feeling pain in your breast, having an increase in bowel movements, and getting strange food cravings. And those are all usually a part of it. And they start about 7 days before your period and will go away once your period begins. So I hope this helped clarify some of this for you. If you have any questions, again, please don't ever be afraid to ask. It's all normal. So bye for now.